Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived in Paris on Thursday on a two-day visit during which he will hold wide-ranging talks with President Emmanuel Macron and join him for the French National Day celebrations as the guest of honor. The Prime Minister will stay in France between 13 to 14 July and has arrived here at the invitation of the President of France, Emmanuel Macron. The Prime Minister will be the guest of honor at the Bastille Day Parade on July 14, where a Tri-Services Indian Armed Forces contingent would be participating. The Indian diaspora greeted Prime Minister Narendra Modi with pomp and grandeur as he landed at the Paris Orly airport in France for a two-day official visit on the invitation of the French President. In a special gesture, the French Prime Minister Elisabeth Borne received Modi at the airport. He was given a guard of honor at the airport and the national anthem of both the countries were played. Chants of Vande Bharat, Bharat Mata Ki Jai and Modi Hai To Mumkin Hai filled Paris as members of the Indian diaspora lined along the streets with miniature Indian tricolors and waved them to welcome PM Modi. I look forward to meeting President Macron and holding wide-ranging discussions on taking forward this long-standing and time-tested partnership over the next 25 years, PM Modi said in his departure statement. After concluding his France visit, the Prime Minister will arrive in Abu Dhabi on July 15. He will hold talks with Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, President of UAE and ruler of Abu Dhabi. The India-UAE Comprehensive Strategic Partnership has been steadily strengthening, and the Prime Minister's visit will be an opportunity to identify ways to take this forward in various domains such as energy, education, healthcare, food security, fintech, defense and culture. It will also be an opportunity to discuss cooperation on global issues, particularly in the context of UAE's presidency of COP28 of the UNFCCC and India's G20 presidency, in which UAE is a special invitee.